Ki Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298. UMP ke Lok Sabha na Shillong Parliamentary Seat u Dr. Ricky A.J. Syngkon hakar penyotrik unailar ajar posau Leit Jurip ke Neigrihms Hospital na kebentaban Khmih ke Jingduna kemudian hapok ketika hospital. Habis keran berkelak patai kubur lapan pau ketika kamram jong u bu Leit pet ke Jingduna hapok ketika hospital wat la ketika hospital ke berembah dulu ong badang don shibun ki kam bahab banle badang pen bah syuk ya ketika hospital kena makan long ke jingmentoi ki pat ba ke jela berkum juru ki ban ki wepat ke jela ki beran sya than la mingi. Habis yo penyekran ru ber medical superintendent Professor Dr. C Daniela ul ong ke Jingduna ki bedan Neigrihms Hospital kidang bun ba ke jing e ke bagi dong tre ki ya kendo ber ul ong ke jingwan jong MP banyak kendo markhmat kan de ke sen jam ke biang na ke bentaban a jing ke trelang ban kampen bha syu ya kan de ke jak a jing sumar.
Kum nong mi khmat wa ka Shillong Parliamentary Seat. So ketika kamram kejonga ada panthoi itu ke sithi untuk agam ngala ai show minister bapak jaga kot kekia juga sarkar India te ngaso ketika kamram kejonga ru pan pechi ru le jong khmat bat banyu I ya ke jinglong jingman ha kane ka hospital nadu gebede bat ka jing ki badon hagne ki tiar kitar ki machine nangta pada ki department kat kiba nela ikaban pej nangta ban skap ru ya nakaliang jong ki nurse nakaliang jong ki doctor nangta ka library bat kumjo ru kham tambe nakaliang jong ki patient namar hakini kiski ya so shubon ki jing e ka ki patient ki kendo bakam kata ka dawai rashin ka baki banyo kum baki juyo ki por menshwa kim yo ini ki kendiat kiba long ya bangaso ketika kamram ke jonga bangan wan ban pek ban Khmih dalam ke jong ki khmat ban yo banyak kren ban yo snoru lagi jong ki Syngkon ya kini ai baro ki bede bat kenika hospital kenika Neigrihms ke banadu stem dengan baklak kendai sebab propinyo belasi mau nongrim yaka de le hadu mentang I dangdon plan shibon ki ba dangdon kam ban le nagabanta kejimantoi jong paitba ndai tang kibasong hagan ka state ke jong ndai wat na kiwi ki state ru jong kedik tain lammi ni kidon shibon ki ban yamanta hi ke ba ni ke ba na ke ba ngi sngo kidon shibon ki namaru director ru hagan ki ski umdon te le se ngandang snap ru nakaliang jong u mo te ya mentahi idang dei tang itai bangaswan banpet di jong khmat ayo sngo kita te jing e ke biki kendo ki Jingduna bat ki don ru mdei tang ki Jingduna ki don ke pedaru ko ban so ki don kum ki machine ki mi di jong khmat ki machine ki balong jong juk wa mentah te kumta nei Khmih lenti bagani hospital kum balas sengyaka kanong hospital kanong college kabanong ga jingkerku ya kan ni ka state ka jongi ka jing tmui kalong ba rengkat jing snok tilang jong baro ki baro nang ni po hospital ki patient bat pa hi ke don kam ka jing trelang jong baro pangin yo pan penurlong ya ke ba kan ka hospital ka ban mo ka ban kot kumba patmu nadu pasdang kat ka level jong ka aims
and he visited. He is wanted to meet all representatives of different people of the healthcare sectors in the institution, the faculty group, resident doctors, and the nursing groups, and various workers of the institutions. And he has a long conversation with the demands made by all different sections of the healthcare workers in the institute, like faculty doctors, resident doctors, and even a nursing. So the problem faced by the institutions, and for better, so that we can serve the people of the Northeast and especially Meghalaya better. So these are the things has been put forward to the Honorable MP of Shillong, Dr. Ricky Syngkon, and he has spent a lot of time here. He visited some wards, he visited the patients and different segments of the. He actually wanted to know at first-hand information on what Neigrihms is all about, and so that he will have a clear-cut ideas what to represent the people of Meghalaya, especially in terms of healthcare facilities available in the state. So the difficulties faced by the patients and how to improve them. So he has patiently, listened to all the all the points put forward by different group of people in the institutions, and he has, with the permission of our director Neigrihms. So the director was also there during the meeting. He was sitting all through the meetings. So it was very fruitful, and he has a clear-cut understanding, being working as an employee of the central government himself earlier in Nehu. So I really appreciate that he has a very clear-cut understanding about the plight of how to improve, how to have a better facilities, so that the Neigrihms can serve in terms of education, of medical education, and as a patient care, so that we will serve the people of this region in a better way. So I would like to thank Dr. Ricky Syngkon for visiting us, and he's been a very educated person, and being a teaching hospital, teaching institutions. I'm sure that this this visit of his will have a great impact, positive impact on Neigrihms and how we serve the people in terms of medical education and in terms of patient care, especially for the betterment of the Northeast. But he has come and especially wanted to speak to all sections of the organizations, which he has done, and so he has met all of them, and so that the much needed things like INI status, Institute of National Importance, so that has been highlighted, so that this will be put up in the Parliament, and especially in Central Protection Act of the healthcare workers has been also highlighted, so that this will be highlighted in the Parliament, to pass in the Parliament as an act, so that the healthcare workers are being protected. So I think these are the highlights which I have listened to different demands which is being put forward by different associations of the institutions. No, as you know, this is a special act to be passed by the Parliament, so that especially in terms of medical education, so that we actually now come under the ambit of the National Medical Commission, which is a very stringent organizations, which we have a lot of things which we have to do, like for example for the upliftment of the institution, especially the benefit which has been given to the faculty and the staff, so that we are in par with the Institute of National Importance like AIMS, PGI Chandigarh, JIPMER, and Sichitra Tirunal, and Nimhans. These are earlier on, because Neigrihms was supposed to be set up by the central government, which has been set up like AIMS-like institutions. But then when it comes to AIMS-like, it has not been passed by the Parliament. So we have seen that we are not exactly like AIMS. It's like AIMS-like, So there are a lot of benefits which we are not getting in terms of, so that we are autonomous body in terms of the things like it, because we are actually coming under the university, of the local university, and also by the National Medical Commission, so that we can start on our own without having to go through the stringent requirement of the the Medical Commission, so that we can start all postgraduate courses and all super specialty courses like what is happening in PGI or AIMS or JIPMER. So this is the benefit which I think institute will get.